Good day everyone! In this video, we will discuss about applications of logarithm. One application of logarithm is the sound intensity. In acoustics, the decibel level of a sound is denoted by D equals 10 logarithm of I over 10 raised to negative 12, where I is the sound intensity in watts per meter squared. Note that the quantity 10 raised to negative 12 watts per meter squared is the least audible sound a human can hear. Let us consider this example. The decibel level of sound in a quiet office is 10 raised to negative 6 watts per meter squared. What is the corresponding sound intensity in decibels? From the problem, it was given that the intensity is equal to 10 raised to negative 6 watts per meter squared. Substituting this given to our formula, D equals 10 logarithm of I over 10 raised to negative 12, we will have 10 logarithm of 10 raised to negative 6 over 10 raised to negative 12. Simplifying the exponents negative 6 and negative 12, we will have 10 logarithm of 10 raised to negative 6 minus negative 12. Thus, this expression will actually give us negative 6 plus 12. Simplifying negative 6 plus 12, we will have 10 logarithm of 10 raised to 6. Looking at this expression, recall that logarithm of 10 raised to 6 is actually a common logarithm with base 10. Therefore, evaluating this expression, we will have logarithm of 10 raised to 6 is actually equal to logarithm of 1 million to the base 10. Looking for the exact value of this expression, recall that when you were asked of what is the logarithm of is the same being asked what is the exponent of, meaning what should be the exponent of 10 to become 1 million. Therefore, we will have logarithm of 10 raised to 6 is equal to 6. This means that we need to multiply 10 6 times to itself to become 1 million. Since we have established that logarithm of 10 raised to 6 is equal to 6, we can actually substitute 6 in this expression, giving us with 10 times 6. Simplifying this, we're gonna have D equals 60. Therefore, the corresponding sound intensity in decibels is 60. Another application of logarithm is the acidity and the pH scale. The pH level of a water-based solution is defined as pH is equal to negative logarithm of H, where H is the concentration of hydrogen ions in moles per liter. Note that solutions with a pH of 7 are defined neutral. Those with pH less than 7 are acidic, and those with pH greater than 7 are basic. Considering this example, a 1 liter solution contains 0.00001 moles of hydrogen ions. Find its pH level. From the problem, it was given that H is equal to 0.00001, which is equal to 10 raised to negative 6. Substituting the given H to our formula, we're gonna have pH is equal to negative logarithm of 10 raised to negative 6. Looking at this expression, recall that this logarithmic expression is a common logarithm with base 10. Logarithm of 10 raised to negative 6 is equal to logarithm of 0.00001 to the base 10. The question would be, what is the exponent of 10 to become 0.00001? From here, we can see that logarithm of 10 raised to negative 6 is equal to negative 6. Therefore, establishing that this expression is actually equal to negative 6, we can substitute negative 6 to this expression, giving us with negative times negative 6, which is equal to positive 6. Therefore, the pH level of the 1 liter solution that contains 0.00001 moles of hydrogen ions is 6. I hope that you have understood the lesson. For our next video, we will discuss about properties of logarithms. Thank you so much for listening and see you on our next discussion.